This is a real review of a product that I'm recommending called Free Affiliate Funnels. Get unprecedented access to our actual high performing sales funnels that we've used and are still using to generate $563,004.53 in revenue, and how you can leverage these to build your own email list and start making affiliate commissions and build a real affiliate marketing business. This is inside Free Affiliate Funnels, the training from Kevin Fahey. He welcomes you to affiliate funnels and then he walks you through your options. Your options are going to be you can promote any of these products as an affiliate, or you have the option when you're inside of here to scroll down and request your affiliate link to the paid offer and build your own landing page, as well as set up your own email responder to build your own email list. Kevin walks you through this in the training, requesting your affiliate link, generating traffic, formatting your emails, as well as how to set up and format your follow-up emails. He also walks you through this in Convertri, Elementor, Thrive, Kivio, Optimized Press, ClickFunnels, as well as Groove Pages. Now, we all know that products on WarriorPlus to promote are few and far between when it comes to good products that actually do what they say, especially when we're looking at the top 10. I've purchased quite a few of Kevin Fahey's products, as well as promoted those products as an affiliate because I believe in them, because the products that Kevin make are good and he backs up what he says, and you can learn a lot from his training. Again, back over at Free Affiliate Funnels, the sales page, this is about getting access right now to this product so you get exclusive access to the top performing funnels that Kevin has. This is your way to get in to start promoting good products over at WarriorPlus if that's what you're looking to do in the make money online niche. As you can see, Kevin is representing his funnels from the money, the revenue that he's made. He's not saying you're going to make this money. He's saying he's giving you access to the exact same funnels that he uses. And like I've showed you here, the exact same funnels that I've used as an affiliate, as you can see, to earn $436.57 when I supported the free traffic shotgun launch, which when you get back into the free affiliate training funnels, you're going to see products just like that one that you are going to be able to promote as an affiliate just by simply coming in here and selecting one of these. For example, 18 free YouTube advertising checklist, 18 free email marketing checklist, or affiliate marketing done right. And Kevin has laid all this out in a video and step by step with your options, as well as you get access to the training itself simply by clicking on the download page, coming in, and you can actually go through all of this free training. All you have to do is click, in this case, to download the PDF, and you can do each one of these with option 1 or option 2, which option 1 is sending traffic directly to the affiliate link, or option 2 is building your own landing page, your own squeeze page, and building your own email list. The key here is inside of this training, he is going to walk you through requesting your affiliate link, and this is what you are buying. You're buying access to promote these links. If you don't already have access to promote this, if you're not an established affiliate, this is how you want to start. But the kicker here and the key to this is the upsell, where you get 100% commissions as a reseller. There is a link in the description because I do recommend this product. Pick the front end up of this product as well as the OTO to become a reseller. And when you do, when you click the green Get It Now button, you'll be able to work with me one-on-one, as well as I'm going to provide you a free Affiliate Funnels Groove workshop where we're going to walk through using and building your own affiliate marketing business by using free affiliate funnels to start promoting WarriorPlus offers. Understand that you must buy the free affiliate funnels front end as well as the free affiliate funnels reseller pro to qualify for these bonuses. Go ahead, click the Get It Now button. It's going to take you over to the free affiliate funnels sales page. Watch the video, read everything on this page, take a look at exactly what you're getting. Understand that you are getting the rights to promote Kevin Fahey's products, as well as after you buy the front end to get access to these free affiliate funnels, you will be taking to the upsell page to instantly double your profits by getting 100% commissions. Yes, this currently costs $90, but you are going to get access to 100% commissions to all of the free affiliate funnels, which inside of the training is email marketing on fire, project restart PDF training, 10x traffic, affiliate marketing done right, 18 free email marketing checklist, 18 YouTube advertising checklist, 18 lead source checklist, premium reports, affiliate marketing mastery, productivity made simple, and work from home jobs. You are going to get access to be able to promote all of these products. And when you upgrade, you'll be able to get 100% commissions. Again, this is the funnel that we're looking at. Free affiliate funnels currently on a dime sale. Started at $16.95. By the time you see it, it may be upwards of $18 to $20. But you still have to purchase the front end to get to the free affiliate funnels reseller pro, which is $90.10 to qualify for my bonuses. Click the link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. Click the Get It Now button. Get access to work with me one-on-one, 30 days of email support after your purchase, as well as there will be a free affiliate funnels groove workshop where we are going to talk about how to use free affiliate funnels to build your own funnel, collect leads, get traffic, make sales. And all you have to do is buy the front end as well as the Reseller Pro. And you do that by clicking the green Get It Now button. And I am recommending this product because I know Kevin Fahey's products are good. And I know many of you are looking for a way to break into Warrior Plus to promote quality products and actually earn some commissions. And like I said, I purchased Kevin Fahey's products and I've used them. I use them to this day. And I promote Kevin's products and they do make me money. And Kevin has laid this all out inside of free affiliate funnels with simple videos, step-by-step videos, a welcome video. He lays out your options. Option 1, send direct traffic to the affiliate offer, the squeeze pages that he has already set up for you, that he uses, that current affiliates promote. Current affiliates use these pages. And then he walks you through each one of these funnels and you will be able to promote each one of these. And he gives you training on how to request your affiliate link, how to guarantee your approval, how to generate traffic, and how to format and generate and use follow-up emails, as well as how to make your own squeeze pages. Of course, groove pages. I'm going to cover this in the workshop in greater detail than the video that you see here that Kevin has provided you. Plain and simple. To wrap this up, click the link in the description, pick up free affiliate funnels and free affiliate funnels reseller pro, and let's work together if you are looking to start making money using Warrior Plus to promote legitimate products in the make money online niche. Link in the description, click it. I look forward to working with you and I'll talk to you later. Bye.